This is the SweetLF electric toothbrush. I've been testing it for a few weeks and I'm here to give you my opinions on this toothbrush. So here is the brush itself, and what I want to let you know is there's a full written review that accompanies this video. Just check out the link in the description for that. Now, SweetLF are a Chinese brand of toothbrush manufacturer, and I'll put it out there from the outset, whilst I've got nothing to say that the clean delivered from this toothbrush is bad, I do have slight concerns and reservations over the cleaning quality in comparison to some of the bigger brands like Oral-B and Sonicare, who have done many clinical studies to kind of back up their performance of their brushes. That said, in the time that I've been using this, I haven't noticed this clean to be inferior. It's cleaned my teeth pretty well. I felt quite happy with the results it's delivered, particularly when you consider what else you get for the price. So let's look at the brush handle itself. Well, it's kind of got this slightly tapered design, which is quite smart. It's mainly white body with the back got this rounded contoured grip here, which helps the fingers grip to. It's not the best grip I felt, but not bad. On the front we've got the SweetLF logo, a power button, and we've got an LED display that lights up when we turn the brush on. And in here you can actually see the different cleaning modes as well as the battery status icon. You press the button multiple times to actually cycle through the cleaning modes that are available on this brush. At the top here we've got this sort of silver plastic which takes us up to the removable brush head, which pulls on and off like so. You get two standard brush heads included in the box as well as one sensitive brush head. With the box contents you also get a charging stand and a travel bag included as well. So the brush has three cleaning modes: clean, white and sensitive, and those are cycled through via this power button. The brush will deliver up to 48,000 movements per minute through the brush head when it's working at its fullest. The battery life on this is incredible. I got a whopping 60 days in between charges. The battery's built into the brush handle along with the motor, and the whole brush is water resistant. When you need to actually charge it up, you sit it on the charging stand provided, and that fits into the recess on the base here. What's nice about it is the charging stand that comes provided works on 110 to 240 volts. It's got a USB connection at one end of it, so you can connect it to a USB port on your computer or use a mains adapter and connect it to the mains power for a slightly quicker charge. Now, that 60-day battery life will be impacted slightly depending on the cleaning mode that you use, but that is very impressive and it doesn't take too long to charge either. One of the downsides to this brush is there's no pressure sensor built in, so if you're brushing too hard you don't really know if that is the case or not. But you do also have a timer built into here as well to help you clean for the right amount of time, which is obviously very important. You should be cleaning twice a day for 2 minutes each time. Now, this has a recommended retail price of about $70. The reality is you can actually pick it up for about $30. When you price that over 3 years, as we like to do here at Electric Teeth, that works out at just 7 cents per day, which is pretty good value, all things considered, for what you get. Now, you don't necessarily get the peace of mind that you do get with one of the bigger brands like Oral-B or Philips Sonicare. You do get a 15-month warranty with SweetLF, so given the price, that's pretty good going. You've got multiple modes, good battery life, the clean has been very good, and overall I'm pretty impressed with it, and I think you will be too. As I say, there's a full written review that accompanies this video. Click the link in the description. But until next time, thanks for watching.